What's up TR fans, and welcome back for another video here on PL Tech Reviews. So I am just back from the Apple Store after picking up an M1 Pro 14-inch MacBook Pro after I said that I wouldn't buy one last year, but you know how things change. But yeah, in this video we're just going to be unboxing and doing an initial setup. Like other devices, you get very nice plastic over the box as well as over the device itself. And at the back of the box you'll find other bits of information which will describe what type of a Mac you've got and what all of its different specs are. And now for opening the box. Gorgeous little thing. So first of all, yes, a wee bit thicker, but in fairness it has been a very long time since I have unboxed an actual MacBook Pro laptop, but we'll check that out in comparison later in my other one. More satisfying plastic there. And if we have a quick look around the Mac, we can see that we have more ports as well as an SSD card reader, as well as a couple other ports as well. Going back to the box now, we also have a braided charger, which is MagSafe, and in here charger brick as well as some other information, and as you can see, black Apple stickers. So now I'm just going to film as I set this new Mac up. Automatic turn on, English UK, like why does the United Kingdom have to be the most awkward thing to find in the list
OS
of
contains
countries?
a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac. If you would like to learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the Escape key.
Interesting. UK, why are you the most awkward thing to find? And at last we find the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. So accessibility, and I am so happy that Apple now have this at the beginning of the setup. So let's see, motor. Vision. Go back here. really like that. And I think I'll settle with this. Auto. Do you like standard? Don't need any of that. Cognitive. Shouldn't. And we'll fix the rest out later. And now that all of that is done, we are just creating the computer account. This is optional, but I like to. And now let's check out Siri voices.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use. You can change it later in system preferences.
No. Can't use Touch ID, so I'm not going to bother. Hopefully Face ID comes along soon. Hopefully in the manner of a software update being added into the notes. So that is now the new Mac setup, and thanks if you've made it to this far into this video. So now I am just going to install apps onto this new Mac and set a couple of other things up, but I will update you all in future when the review of this eventually comes out. Thanks for watching until then, and you'll see me again soon.